Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your Snapchat account. Now, for this tutorial, we won't be using the Snapchat app, but we'll be using the web, and this works for both Google and iOS users. Now, first thing you need to do is go to the web and search on this Fix Snapchat account logged. Now, you want to make sure that you're going to click the official website of Snapchat. And once you're there, you may scroll down and you can go to the part where it says my account has been temporarily locked. And you may click on going here. And you will be directed to another Snapchat page wherein you will be logging into your account. You may type in your password first. You'll need to go to a confirmation before you log into your account. And in this page, you can see your account settings, and there are three options below. So you may click on the Unlock My Account. And if until now your account is still locked, you may now click on the Unlock button. This method will be worth trying to unlock your account. We also have another way of unlocking your account is to go back to the web and search for Snapchat support. And you still have to make sure that you're going to click the official website of the Snapchat support. And in this page, you may scroll down and click on Contact Us. In here, you're going to submit a request and click on the I can't access my account. And in the second one, you are going to put on I see an error message when I log in. And in here below, you are asked if you still need help, then click yes. And after that, you'll be filling up forms with your username, email, mobile number, and your issue about your account. So submitting this report, you will still have to wait for Snapchat to give you a feedback with your problem. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.